Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve a slick kinky bun in just a few steps. Let's just jump into it. First things first, we need to moisturize the hair. I'm using the Dark and Lovely moisturizer to keep my hair hydrated. Apply it all over, making sure to distribute it evenly. Then take a brush and gently detangle your hair. Now grab your ECO Plus styling gel or any strong hold gel you prefer. Apply it to your hair while brushing in an upward motion. This will help smooth everything down and make it easier to form the bun. Once your hair is nice and sleek, use a hair tie to secure it into a ponytail at the desired height. Make sure it's tight enough to hold, but not too tight to cause discomfort. Now take your ponytail and twist it in the opposite direction. Wrap it around itself to form a bun. Then secure it with a hair tie to keep it in place. To make sure your bun is neat, brush down any loose strands and pin them in place using a bobby pin. Now it's time to add some volume. I'm using Molly hair from Darling, but you can use any similar texture. This is how the hair should look like. Nice and kinky to match our natural texture. Separate a few strands of the Molly hair and keep adding piece by piece until you're happy with the thickness. Take a hair tie and place it underneath the Molly hair extension. Then tuck the hair into the hair tie to secure it. Pull the tie to tighten it. You should be left with a remaining part of the hair tie. Take the remaining part of the hair tie and place it over your bun, securing it in place. Then divide the molly hair into 2 sections. Take the first section, twist it slightly and wrap it around your bun. Repeat the same with the second section, making sure everything blends seamlessly. If any strands are sticking out, simply wrap them around the bun and pin them down for a polished look. Now, if you love laid edges, this step is for you. Apply some styling gel and use an old toothbrush to swoop your edges into your preferred shape. Once done, place a scarf or a band over your edges and let it sit for a few minutes before removing it. And that's it! You have a beautiful, sleek, kinky bun. That's easy to achieve and looks stunning. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and let me know what hairstyle you would like to see next. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.